Alberto. Just checked out of the other hotel. So now we start the real mission. Looking for certain target birds. Yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna take off to another place. And yeah, so I am about to go pick them up, and I'm ready. Stay tuned. Alrighty, I'm getting Beto coming down his way now. Bumpy road. Bumpy road. All right. So now we start the real mission, looking for the lifers and target birds. Hello, doggy. I don't want no problems. How are you? You good? All right. My phone. I'm gonna check my gear. Alrighty, so you see I got Beto with me now, so we are heading for the real targets and lifers. The red-headed barbet for me was a target. I mean, I definitely photographed it before. Now I didn't get a good look like that. I got a good look. I didn't post it yet. But if you saw the video, I think previous to this, I think by the time I posted, I'm gonna have that red-headed barbet on the video. So yeah, so right now we are heading to where, Beto?
We're heading to Tenorio National Park area, to Bijagua. The hotel is called Heliconias Rainforest Lodge, and hopefully we get to find our Toddy Mott,
the scarlet crested pygmy tigret,
yeah,
the golden olive woodpecker.
Golden olive woodpecker.
Yeah,
and,
golden olive woodpecker.
And some more species.
So I think we go on a Costa. It's gonna be things I haven't seen. Yeah. So we'll just see. You know what I mean? So now we start the real deal. I was supposed to be relaxing it past 2 days when I got here, but I was walking the trails earlier, so it's all good. Now let's go have some fun.
When I cast it, it's gonna be later on the trip.
Yeah. I was just saying, like, you know, as we go further down. All right. Yeah. So we were driving and we thought we seen. Beto said he seen what kind of Meadowlark, Beto?
Eastern.
It was Eastern Meadowlark. And guess what? I don't have an Eastern Meadowlark. I'm just seeing where it went. Cows and horses over here.
Eastern Meadowlark.
Eastern Meadowlark.
What is it? Got it?
Got it, bro. Thank you. I got it, bro. Yes. I'm excited. So I just got the Eastern Meadowlark, and that is a lifer for me. Definitely come to, like, you know, Massachusetts, but I've never seen one, never photographed one. So would you believe it? I got one here in Costa Rica. Woohoo! Thanks to my guy Beto. It's funny, Beto was driving and he said, "Oh, Eastern Meadowlark," he spotted it. So he backed the car up and it was on. There's actually two over here, so I'm excited. Thank you, Alberto. I appreciate it, bro.
Ready to go.
And now we're gonna continue going where we're going. Get some food now, yeah. But that was a cool lifer. Even though, like I said, they come, I just never get them. I got it now. Later. Cool. Now, what did you say, Beto, now about the tree?
This is the ceiba, the K-pop tree. One of the oldest trees in Costa Rica and largest.
Oh, wow. You said the government owned this?
Yeah, this is a government owned.
Man, we're still driving, but this. So you're saying like lodges? So I thought I seen other trees taller than this. Largest mean like just the widest, like biggest? Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow. Just stopped. Get some dinner at this place here. Lock the door. Better? Alright, so Beto got his food. Yeah, I want something different. I don't want what they are. I want some fish. I really want some fish. So, get some fish. Look at this. This is good. I got the fish. Garlic fish, salad, veggies, and some chicken. That stuff is gone. They had to cook mine, so that's why I got mine late. This here, woohoo! All right. Well, I don't eat on the camera, so check you later. Hey, so we just made a quick stop, checking out somebody's property that I think we're going to visit tomorrow, or maybe the next day. To photograph some hummingbirds. Oh, see the snow cap? Supposed to be so beautiful. Look at that. Just look at that.
I think Saturday is better.
All right. No, I mean, oh, the guy let us go inside right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I talked to him.
Hell yeah. Guess we're gonna go inside.
Gonna go look.
All right, cool. Look at that, so beautiful. All right, so I guess we're gonna go in now. Okay. All right.
Well, you could go see the place.
Yeah. All right, so we're driving up this road. Got about 1.3 miles before we get here. Heliconias Rainforest Lodge. Madman Beto over here. This boy's the speed demon. Alright. Come on, Tony. Oh, and by the way, I got the black crested coquette hummingbird back there. So we stopped for a quick second to look, but it was perched and feeding, so I got it. Yay.
You've arrived at your destination.
Nice. Cool. We are here. All right. So we're here. Definitely getting stuff out the car. I'm gonna get my stuff in a minute. We're at Heliconias Rainforest Lodge. This is where I'm gonna look for this Toddy Mott scale-crested pygmy tyrant, and also the golden olive woodpecker. And they're saying that the was it the hawk eagle, right? The hawk eagle comes here too, so that's kind of cool. They have feeders, which I didn't know. Let me just check it out. It's 5 o'clock right now, so it's a little late. But yeah. Alright. It's crazy because she almost telling me double. I said, "Hey, what are you doing?" But she took care of it. I did my reservation online. I don't know what price she was about to charge me. She credited back to the credit card. Beto, you ready?
I'm ready.
This the guy right here is gonna help me find these birds. We're gonna do these trails tomorrow. We kind of took our time getting here, but we got all day tomorrow. So, all right, grab my stuff and get to the room. What am I looking for? Yeah. All right, bro. Okay. Cool. All right, so night as the day has come to an end. I'll just show you inside of my room where I'm staying at for a couple of days at the Rainforest, Heliconias Rainforest Lodge. So this is the room, my accommodation for a few days. The bathroom. Pretty nice place actually. And it actually accommodates 4 folks, 4 people. Have bunk beds as well. There's a twin. And this is like a king, honestly. This is a big ass bed. And so there is a heater in here. So with higher elevation, and at night it can get cool, so you have the heater just in case. I have a little balcony out there. And I have a refrigerator. So when I came in here, they had complimentary waters. Well, they had 2. I bought 2 more. Had a couple Pilsons in there. Yeah, so I am tired. Ready to get some rest. We're gonna have an early day tomorrow. They're gonna start early. Then we're gonna do breakfast at 8 o'clock. So yeah, that was in that room down there. So I'm gonna turn this light off. Yeah, that's that. So until tomorrow. All right, so if you watch this video, I appreciate it. You know, like it, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. What I'm gonna do is, the next video, I'm actually gonna tour the grounds on here. We're gonna do a walk in the morning, and that's gonna be a separate video. I'm looking for the scaly, yeah, I said it already. Anyway, so I'm really hoping to get those birds, the scaly breasted pygmy tyrant, I think. Scaly or scaly crested pygmy tyrant, I can't remember. But the tardy mott and also the golden olive woodpecker. And again, hopefully some other species as well. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video. And that's that. We did a little editing downstairs. I meant to bring the GoPro out because the Wi-Fi is a little shabby in here. So we was down there just kind of chilling out. So, alrighty. Thanks for watching. I'm tired. Good night.